Hey y'all, we have our salmon down on the plate. Now we're looking to put up our glaze, and we actually won't use that till the very end. But we've got equal parts Sriracha and honey. So I'm using about 2 tablespoons of each, and then about 7 to 8 drops of sesame oil. A little bit of sesame oil goes a long ways. Next thing up, we'll season our salmon. So we stirred it up a little bit. That's our glaze. I'm going to go ahead and add some salt and pepper. Just grind it on top of the salmon. Just grind it to taste. You can actually add garlic salt, garlic powder, you name it. And there's our mix that we're pulling out to the Blackstone. And this is for our fried rice, which I won't show you in this video, but you'll see it on the final plate. My people, it's time to fire up the Blackstone. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on high first, and I'll turn it down to about medium high. So after that sizzle, we do want to lay down like a little bit of vegetable oil. So we're gonna lay that down, spread it out with a spatula, and then lay down our salmon. And it sounds fantastic. You want to make sure it's about halfway up where it's white or opaque as opposed to translucent. And then we'll flip it over again and see the skin. Perfect. So that's exactly what we're looking for. Just kind of a nice golden brown on the outside. So for a salmon fillet, we're looking about 2 minutes on each side, at least for this part. I'm going to go ahead and flip it. So I do want it through and through. Flip it for about 30 seconds. And then we're going to put our glaze on. Boy, that glaze is really good. Super simple. So we got honey, Sriracha, sesame oil. I'm going to go ahead and top up the rest of it. So I'll put it on one side, flip it on that side so it'll actually cook, and seal our glaze in. Flip it to the other side, seal the glaze in. I plated up our salmon with a bit of sesame seed on top, sprinkled that on top, some Chinese broccoli, and some fried rice. So there's our meal. Hey, yep. So as you can see, final taste test. It turned out great. It's super easy to do too. Cat wants some too.